Our project, African Folktales, aims to address the power of culture through our storytelling traditions, it is a common knowledge that people tell stories to pass down native intelligence and information to younger generations. Those stories contain entertainment component, they equally strongly mold values, mindset, and differentiate bad from good attitude. Thus, folktale storytelling tradition plays a cognate role in our socio-cultural existence. Unfortunately, this has been threatened by several factors, which I'm sure we unravel in the course of this workshop. This workshop aims to imbibe values by utilizing folktales in performative and other expressive creative formats to change the narrative about us as a family, as a country, and as a continent. We have positive values in Nigeria and in Africa. Our songs, dances, festivals, stories, cuisine, architecture tell a lot about how great we are. Yet, these are the most underreported in the media because we allow them to become underrepresented. African Folktales is organized by Mega Arts Plus, supported by UEACP, facilitated by Kore Segu, under the Art in West Africa project, and it is aimed at promoting West African cultural expressions.
Tatsuniya ce wadda take ba mu labari akan ya kamata yaro ya tashi daga tarbiyya tun yana gida. An ce yace tun yana danye
ake tankwara shi
idan
ya bushe sai dai ya karye.
To shi wannan yaro yakan tashi yana ɗan ɗauke a gida.
Daga nan ya batta da shi ita tana lallabawa har da waka. Rumaye rumaye ruma ɗana, ruma motsa gayya, ruma ɗan sarki. Mace ta kashe dokin gidansu ta ce miya.
Story, story, once upon a time, I bring you greetings all the way from Angwarumi. My name is Danjuma Bukamogan, and the title of our story is The Pregnant Man. Baba Mitiki, say Baba, Baba Nayaya, say Baba, Baba Nayaya, say Baba, Baba Mitiki, say Baba, Baba Mitiki, say Baba, Baba Nayaya, say Baba, Baba Nayaya.
Mahuta Kujama community. I want to go now. I'm very, very hungry. You've been eating all this while you didn't give anybody anything. I'm hungry. I want to go. The first bird came. The second one, each of them came and collected back the feeder. He was left with a lot of food there. Please wait for me now. Let me follow you. Say you can follow us if you can fly. Come, let us go. So they all flew away. He was left with this. He looked up, looked down, nowhere to go. You see that? After all, the earth is not too far. I can just jump. So he just looked down. He decided to jump. As he jumped, he was going. Woo! When he came to land, he landed on a big rock and scattered his body. Wow.
Gatanan ku abokai guda biyu, abokai ne barci kawai ke raba su. Wata rana sun fito daga gona.
Ina sat down.
Abincin da daɗi.
Abincin bye-bye. Ba dai shayi da ka sha ba.
Menene ne?
Before you know it, so the two of them lie down there, and the money the two of them are greedy over is there lying.
Finally, there's joy in the household of Enegbani, and they were singing and dancing.
ana ta murna
nan ana ta farin ciki sai ga matan shi ta shigo tana rawa tana zagayawa duk wanda ta je wajen ta fada da ta je wurin gaban shi ko ta taba shaka shi ma sai joinin din ta
A lot of them said storytelling in the past gave them so much joy. It helped to shape the young ones, to also tell them what they need to do and how they need to go about their lives.
The purpose of Tales by Moonlight is to enlighten the general public and especially children on our values and morals. We as a people know there's one thing we hold to our hearts, that is storytelling, but this is fast dying.
Then on the other hand, when we have so many people, like we have a group, WhatsApp group that we're all on, we can use hashtags, say hashtag Naija Tales in every of our posts, so that someone who goes online to search for anything Naija, as soon as they are typing Naija, by the time we have enough of those hashtags rolling, it will pop up. Naija Tales, Naija Tales. Now, everything I'm talking is for those in Nigeria. Don't forget that we have millions of Nigerians out there who are hungry for Nigerian content.
Things are changing, the dynamism of culture and the global culture of digitization has necessitated that we also re-engineer and reinvent our folktales in such a way to make them competitive and place them on the global stage, so that it first of all tells people about us from our own point of view, meaning we tell our stories. And also because we are telling our stories by ourselves, we are able to project the positive things about our values, about our people, and suppress the negativism.
Must be trustworthy. He must be trustworthy. Ya kasance duka membobi na wannan drama group sun amince da shi, because that is the background. Idan ba su yadda da shi ba, za a ta samun matsala.
A yanzu a wannan zamanin sai muka biyo su, ba dai talabijin bace da wayoyin hannu da karance-karance, to sai muka ce mu gabatar da tatsuniyoyi waɗanda za ka yi su ta hanyar rediyo, za ka yi su ta hanyar talabijin, za ka yi su ta hanyar wayoyin hannu. Kaga saƙon kenan zai kai dai ga waɗanda muke so su kai.
See, there's a Belleric control.
African Folktales!